Imagine waking up in a world blanketed in fire, smoke, and absolute silence. Dinosaurs, the rulers of Earth for millions of years, are suddenly gone. But what exactly did our planet look like the very next day? 66 million years ago, a mountain-sized asteroid, about 6 miles wide, slammed into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. This catastrophic event marked the end of the Cretaceous period and triggered a mass extinction. But the day after the asteroid hit, it's a chilling, surreal scene you wouldn't recognize. Minutes after the impact, a wave of unimaginable heat, over 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the surface of the sun, ripped through the air. Trees, plants, and animals within hundreds of miles were instantly vaporized or incinerated. If you stood 500 miles away, it would still feel like standing inside a burning oven. For perspective, imagine the entire surface of Earth ignited into an inferno simultaneously, creating an instant global firestorm. But if you think this fiery chaos was terrifying, wait until you hear what came next. Within hours, massive amounts of debris, dust, and ash filled the atmosphere, blotting out the sun completely. Imagine midnight at noon. Darkness covered the Earth like a thick blanket. Temperatures plummeted rapidly, plunging into freezing conditions, turning the planet into a cold, alien wasteland. Scientists estimate Earth remained sunless for several months to years. Photosynthesis stopped, plants died, and with them, the herbivores and carnivores starved one after another. Imagine modern cities plunged into darkness, crops failing worldwide, and food chains collapsing rapidly. This scenario was far worse. Darkness wasn't even the biggest nightmare. Imagine breathing toxic air, burning rocks vaporized on impact, spewing sulfuric acid into the air. Acid rain poured relentlessly, poisoning lakes, rivers, and oceans. This wasn't mild acid rain. It was strong enough to burn through vegetation and severely harm skin. Picture a rainstorm today, but each drop scorches whatever it touches. Water sources became toxic, dooming countless surviving animals to agonizing deaths. Interestingly, the ocean wasn't safe either. The sudden acidity devastated marine life, with nearly 75% of oceanic species vanishing, including giant marine reptiles like mosasaurs, prehistoric creatures powerful enough to hunt sharks like today's great whites. But among all this destruction, life found its way to cling on. Incredibly, some small mammals, birds, insects, and marine creatures endured these nightmarish conditions. Animals no bigger than today's squirrels hid underground or deep underwater, surviving off the scraps of the dying world. These tiny creatures were the humble ancestors of nearly all modern life, including us. Imagine, your existence depended entirely on a mouse-sized mammal outsmarting the apocalypse. The day after the dinosaurs died was an unimaginable nightmare. Firestorms, endless darkness, and acid rain ravaged the Earth. Yet from this catastrophe emerged the resilient ancestors who shaped the world we know today. So next time you marvel at nature's beauty or resilience, remember, every living thing around you is proof that even in the face of Earth's darkest day, life always finds a way.